What is a microservice? Maybe the best way to explain what a microservice is to explain what it isn't. So the default state for an application when we step into it is to write a monolith. There's one single application, one code base, and it does literally everything that your entire application needs to do. That's a monolith. Microservice is the opposite of that. So we take out every little piece of functionality and we turn it into its own application that has its own little service. So if I have an application that authenticates users, I spin up a brand new application that is the authentication service, and I stick that up and it gets separately hosted, and that deals with authentication. And every other piece of my app that needs to know if someone is logged in or not, or if they're allowed to do something or not, has to call out to that application service. It's essentially a way of taking a very, very large single application and breaking it into many, many smaller pieces that are interdependent and call one another, but all run separately. If you've ever seen a status page for a large service where they have hundreds of lines of different things that they have online, that's usually a microservice architecture. So GitHub, part of GitHub can go down like the thing that does code build, but then the repositories are still online and so on and so forth. That's because they've broken it out of the monolith and gone into some microservice where there's many, many different services running and they don't necessarily all go down at the same time.